Oh, hey there. James Kirtley from Dimensional Insight. As you can tell, I'm a little bit of a do-it-yourself kind of guy, and I thought maybe today we could learn about self-service pages in DivePort. So with that, let's get started.
In this demonstration, you'll learn how to create a self-service page. A self-service page is a customized dashboard you create yourself without the assistance of a DivePort administrator. You create the page and then populate it with the stamps of greatest interest to you. Note that you must have a Measure Factory license to use this feature. You can add stamps to a self-service page, change the template for one or more stamps, change the positioning of stamps on the page, remove stamps from the page, and add QuickViews that let you filter the data in the stamps. For example, let's say you're using a healthcare application with a hospital operations section that includes an executive dashboard. The executive dashboard aggregates information on many different measures, but you're interested in only 4: total admissions, ED visits, acute ALOS, and total charges. Let's create a self-service page that includes stamps for only those 4 measures. First, we'll click the self-service icon in the hospital operations area of My Library. Next, we'll select the 4 measures we want on our page. The first measure, total admissions, is in category Inpatient Volumes. If you're not sure the measure is the one you really want, you can learn more about it by clicking the I to the right of the measure name. You can also search for measure names using the search box. Let's find the remaining 3 measures this way. Now that we've selected all the measures for which we want to create stamps, we can select the stamp template we want to use for all 4 stamps. We'll begin by clicking OK. A listing of all the stamp templates available for use on a self-service page appears on the screen. We'll select the year-to-date bar chart with the small font. 4 stamps now appear on the page. Notice also that a button for the page, labeled My Page, has been created in the Shortcuts section of My Library. The data in the stamps is live. You can perform a dive in any stamp on a self-service page, just as you would in a stamp on any other page. Now let's say you want to change the stamp for total admissions from a bar chart to a line chart. To do this, we'll move to the top right corner of the stamp, click the 3 dots, select Change Display, and select Year-to-Date Spark Chart. The total admissions stamp changes from a bar chart to a line chart. Next, we'll add a Dimension QuickView to our self-service page. The QuickView will allow us to filter our measure data by one or more individual hospitals or facilities in our consortium of hospitals. To add the QuickView, we'll click the Manage Filters icon, click Add Filters, expand the Account section, and select Facility. The Facility QuickView appears here. Let's update the stamps to reflect the data for the Longwood facility. Now suppose we want to reposition one of the stamps on our page. We can do this by dragging the stamp to its new position. You can also remove stamps from your self-service page. We'll remove ED Visits by selecting Remove from the Stamp context menu. And finally, if you want to add one or more stamps after you've set up your page, use the Add Measures icon. So that's how you create a self-service page in My Library. You click the self-service icon, select the measures you want, and select a stamp template. You can also change a stamp template, add one or more QuickViews, reorganize your stamps, add additional stamps, and remove stamps.
Oh, welcome back. That was quick. That's all you need to know about getting started with self-service functionality in DivePort. If you found this video informative, click on the like button and subscribe for more just like it. As always, if you have any questions or comments, let us know in the section below. And with that, we'll see you next time.